Hi, my name's Kai, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Redi cube. I think this is a really cool looking puzzle, and I'm really excited to show you it today. Enjoy! Alright, let's get started. So, first things first, you need to learn, or not learn, you have to find the white corners. As of white corners, I mean corners that have white on it. So like this, and like this, and you're gonna put them all on the top, and you're gonna rotate those corners until white's facing up. So I'm gonna do that to all of them, like that. Now they're all facing up. Now we want to get these edges here. To do that, there's this trick I like to call the elevator trick, where this one needs to go here, so you're going to move it out of the way of the elevator. Elevator comes down, it goes into the elevator, and the elevator goes back up. And you can repeat that for all of them. If you need to bring a white edge down, you can do the same elevator trick. Hops into, goes out of the way of the elevator, elevator goes down, goes out of the way of the elevator, elevator goes up, and goes back up. This one's a left elevator, so it needs to go out of the way of the elevator. Elevator goes down, hops into the elevator, and elevator goes up. And we can do that with the rest. Until you have this white side with all of this side matching up. Then you're going to put the white on the bottom, on the table. And then you're going to take the goal is to make these edges match up with this. So this one needs to go here. So we can turn it until it's right here. And what we're gonna do is if it's on the left, you're gonna do L inverse, F, or hold on. Let me just say something. If it's on the left and this is incorrect, so these two aren't matching up with this, you need to bring it out of the way. Bring this over to where this is matching up with where it was. Bring it down. And bring this to where it's matching up. And here, so here's this. This is matching up, so I can just bring it down. This one's over here, so I need to bring it up, down, this way, and this way. This one needs to go here. And then you're gonna just have this top edges to go. So you're gonna hold the solved one in the back, and you're gonna see two unsolved ones like this. Those two unsolved ones, you're gonna take that back one, the back unsolved one, the flipped one, the back flipped one, you're gonna bring it to go to this one, so like that, and then you're gonna bring this side down. Then you're gonna bring this side up, and then you're gonna bring this side up. So it's down, down, up, up, starting with the side that's that the things are on, that the flipped edge is on. And also, you might have a case where it's like this, where it's like this. What you're gonna do in this case is you're gonna hold it in position with yellow on the top, and you're gonna do right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. And now you can repeat what I did before. So you're going to put the solved one in the back, and you're starting with the one starting with the corner that's flipped like this. You're going to go down, down, up, up. And that is how to solve the Redi cube. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to solve the Redi cube. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And once you subscribe, you can hit the bell icon so you can get notified when more of my videos come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.